Do your analytics look like a foreign language to you? You're not alone. A ton of business owners try to market themselves on social media and have absolutely no idea what their analytics actually mean. Hi, I'm Jenny, social media expert with Momentum Virtual, and today we are going to talk about what your analytics can tell you and which ones you need to pay the most attention to. And make sure to stay till the very end where I will share some ways that you can use your analytics to grow your following. Every social platform lets you see your page's analytics. These are statistics about your audience and your content that can help you grow your following and create more relevant content for your followers. But it's not always apparent what each analytic means. So let's dive right into some of the more common stats. Reach. Your reach is the number of people who have seen your posts or your page at least once. Now, this includes people who have just scrolled past your content without actually looking at it. So this number is usually far greater than your engagement or your followers. This number is super useful to show you just how much your content is actually being spread. And the higher your reach, the more people will notice you and the more followers you'll have. Views. Views is similar to reach, except it's almost solely used for videos. And the number shows the people who actually looked at your content for at least a few seconds. Most platforms that show you your views will break it down into a few categories. For example, 3-second views, 10-second views, and 1-minute views. This way you can see exactly where people stop watching your videos, and you can tweak your content a little in the future. Engagement. This statistic shows how many likes, comments, and shares you have gotten on your page or your post. Social media algorithms are designed to pay attention to what content people are engaging with and promote that content more and more. This is why so many people encourage their audience to comment or share their posts. This is also why live videos do so well. They automatically encourage engagement. Time and day. This one I feel is often overlooked, but most social platforms will track the time and day that the majority of your audience is using their platform. This lets you post content during those peak times so that whatever you post will start to get engagement immediately. Demographic. This one is pretty well known, but it's also super important, so I had to include it. Different audiences will be drawn to different content, so knowing what audience you are attracting will help you to better cater to them, or to change your style to attract the audience that you are looking for. So, those are some of the most common social media analytics and why they are important. And as promised, now I will share a few ways that you can use these analytics to grow your following. First, check them often. At least once a month, you should be checking in on your analytics to see what has changed and adjust your marketing plan accordingly. Change your content. Pay attention to what your audience is engaging with and change your content to better suit them. Obviously, I'm not saying to post content that isn't true to you. Being real and being you is the most important part of your marketing. But you should also pay attention to what your ideal audience wants and use the algorithms to your advantage. Post the type of content that is most likely to get engagement at the time that your audience is online. Using content like lives and stories, which the algorithms prioritize, will give your whole page a boost. And using your time and day analytics to make sure your posts go out when the majority of your audience is online will give your posts a jump start, which the algorithm will notice. Doing this will make your social platform way more likely to share your content more and for longer. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more great marketing tips, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. We post a new video 2 to 3 times a week about all things digital marketing. And if you have a topic you would like to know more about, leave it in the comments below. I hope this helps you keep your momentum going.